Hello and welcome to day 5 of my 31 days of Halloween. Today's video is inspired by the movie Us and specifically the character Pluto in this film. This is honestly one of my favourite horror films of all time. I just think it was really clever and I loved it, so I had to do a Halloween look inspired by it. I started this look off with a bald cap on, and this doesn't need to look like my bald head, so it's got lumps and bumps in it and it actually makes it look a bit more realistic because this is a mask over my face instead of my bald head. So once I've done that, I get my eyeliner pencil and sketch out holes over each eye and my mouth, and I fill them in with foundation, and then I paint the rest of my head, my face and my neck white. Also, where the line of the bald cap is quite good because it later on fits in with the creases of the face mask. Then with a little detailed brush and a black face paint, I then start to outline the circles on my face. So this is on my eyes and my mouth. Then with a black eyeshadow and an angled eyebrow brush, I start to create the stitches or folds in the mask. I couldn't get a picture close enough of the mask to see what they really were, but I just know that there are lines going down the mask. So I use a black eyeshadow and a angled eyebrow brush to do this. Then go in with a small blending brush and go over these lines to make sure that they're not too perfect and pristine, because this is meant to be an old looking mask. So I blend over those lines with a tiny bit extra eyeshadow just to make them look a little bit more worn. I use this same technique around the eyes to create a bit of a fold to make it look more realistic as a mask that's on top of my face. And of course I do exactly the same thing on the mouth area as well. I now try to create some shadowing around the inside of the eye holes, just so it looks like the mask is on top of my face and it's creating a shadow onto my actual skin. I create this by using a brown eyeshadow and start to go around the inside of each of the eye holes and the mouth hole. I then apply a nude lipstick. This one is by Kylie Cosmetics and it's called Creep It Real. I then fill in my brows. I do make them a little bit bolder as this whole look is very bold and I didn't want them to get lost in the look. I then wanted to make my eyes look very tired, so I got a red eyeshadow and some brown eyeshadows and started to blend it around my eyes and also around my natural eye bags. I know it sounds so strange, but I wanted them to look really tired and maybe bruised and things like that, so I go in with some red and brown eyeshadows. I also did this a bit on my lips as well, so it looked like I had some bruises on them. I then go down to my neck and outline it exactly like what I've done to the rest of the mask, and I again create some shadows so it looks like it's on top of my skin instead of a part of my skin. I use brown and black eyeshadows to do this. So this is the final look. If you like it, make sure to press the like button down below, and if you would like to see some more Halloween makeup looks this October, hit the subscribe button here on my YouTube channel and also follow me over on my Instagram. It is at Brooke.Ellis_, as I'm uploading every day this October over there as well. Don't forget to check out my description box. I have my social medias in there, and also I have some discount codes for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Creep on in, on in, on in.